dear friends, Merry Christmas to everyone. Today, I want us to reflect on the significance of the birth of Jesus Christ in a manger. For over 2000 years ago, our Lord Jesus Christ was born, and today I want us to reflect and learn from his humble birth and placement in a manger. Thank you. Let's go. May the peace of the newborn Prince of Peace restore peace to our troubled world. I want us to reflect on the significance of the birth of Jesus Christ in a manger. The word manger comes from the Latin word manducare, meaning to eat or to chew. Thus, a manger is a trough or box which animals, like horses or cattle, feed. It is also the name of the feeding trough in which the baby Jesus was wrapped. This is a biblical reference and a key part of the Christmas nativity story. The birth of Christ was a fulfillment of the prophecy of prophet Micah chapter 5 verse 2, which said, "But as for you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, too little to be among the clans of Judea, from you one will go forth for me to be ruler in Israel. His going forth is from long ago, from the days of eternity." In the New Testament, the message of Christ's birth was delivered to the shepherds through the angels, and the shepherds said, "Let us go over to Bethlehem and see this thing that has happened, which the Lord has made known to us." And they went with haste and found Mary and Joseph and the baby lying in a manger. Luke chapter 2, verse 15 to 16. My dear friends, Jesus was born in Bethlehem, a small town in Judea. He came from a small town, Nazareth. Don't forget the mocking question of Nathanael. He said, "Can anything good come out of Nazareth?" John 1:46. Both the birthplace of Jesus, his nationality, and where he was placed after his birth described perfectly his personality. Hence, the manger setting symbolizes simplicity, humility, and accessibility. This shows that God's message is for everyone, regardless of status or background. Christ was straightforward and authentic in his dealing with men and women. He said and meant what he said from birth to death. He was born poor, lived poor, and died poor, yet he shared in a rich man's tomb at burial. Though he is rich in all ramifications as the Son of God, but he humbled himself. This Christmas is thus a reminder to all Christians and entire humanity that we should humble ourselves and live simple lives. Christ is for both rich and poor, sick and healthy. His first interaction was with the poor, the shepherds. He also related with the sinners, even at the point of death, and enjoyed the hospitality of the rich man at his burial place. Let us therefore live like brothers and sisters as Christ did. Remember, Christmas is a season of giving. God the Father had led the way by giving us his only Son, Jesus Christ. Please join in this season of giving. No one is too poor that he or she has nothing to offer. Remember, money is not the only thing one could give. One can give his time, his talents. You can give your time to visit. You can give your time to visit the poor. Visit those who have no one to visit them. Use your talent to entertain others. But above all, offer forgiveness to those in need of it. I wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. God bless you. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you.